Friender's friend request engine is the heart of the whole system. Instead of clicking send 100 times a day, you load up a queue, and Friender sends each request for you, throttled and safe. Here is how it works. Open friend requests, then the friends queue. Up top, you set the rules. Sendable requests shows how many are ready to go. You choose your sending method, a request limit so you never go over, and a time delay between each send. By default, it randomizes between 10 and 30 minutes so your activity looks human. Every request is tracked across these tabs. Queued is waiting to send, sent is out the door, failed shows anything Facebook blocked, and filtered out is everyone your rules removed. That filtering is powerful. Open the profile filter, the second filter, and you can narrow by location, age, relationship status, follower counts, keywords in their profile, and gender. Only the right people make it through. Want to control exactly when it runs? Open schedule runtime and paint the days and hours the queue is allowed to send. Outside those windows, it sits quietly. Need to add your own list? Click import data and upload a CSV of Facebook profiles straight into the queue. When you are ready, hit run friend queue and Friender starts sending on your schedule. And over on pending requests, you will see every incoming request Friender has tracked. Tag by where it came from, so you never lose the source. That is the friend request engine. Load it, filter it, schedule it, and let it run. To try it free, head over to start.friender.io.